Hi, Austin here with JDS, and today I'll be showing you how to sublimate apparel. There are a few accessories we recommend when sublimating apparel. The first one is a foam kit. The foam kit will ensure that you don't get any permanent press lines in your apparel from the edges of the transfer paper. The foam kit comes in a 2 foot by 6 foot roll, so you can cut to the desired size. You want the foam to be smaller than the edges of the transfer, but larger than the artwork on the transfer. The second accessory that you'll want is a lint roller to remove any excess lint from your apparel. The last accessory that you'll want is a repositionable adhesive spray. This will make sure you don't get any double imaging when you put your shirt in the press. Once you're at your heat press, you'll want to layer from the bottom up with a scratch paper or Teflon sheet, the foam that you cut to your desired size. We also like to bevel the edges to make sure that the t-shirt or apparel will fall off more gradually. Then you'll put your shirt down and you want to center it as best that you can. What I like to do is center the sleeves right on the edge of the press. And the next step is to lint roll. You can lint roll the entire shirt, or you can lint roll the area that will be in contact with the transfer. Then you'll want to put your transfer paper that you've sprayed lightly with repositionable adhesive spray down on top of the foam, trying to center it as best you can. You want to put a piece of scratch paper or Teflon on top of the transfer, and we're going to heat this for 45 seconds at 385 degrees. You want to use a very light pressure, only compressing the foam about 25%. Once your timer goes off, you want to lift slowly and remove your transfer and scratch paper at the same time to show your final product. For more information on these or any of our other products, contact us at 800-843-8853 or visit us on the web at jdsindustries.com. Thanks for watching.